We're gonna cook up another fun and easy recipe, but let me just tell you, that lemonade, you have to do, and if you don't want to add alcohol to it, because we didn't mention before,
exactly,
all they have to do is the lavender water,
exactly,
and then just the lemonade.
And just the lemonade.
And it's wonderful. It's really good. Okay, let's take the hum out of hummus. How do we make it easily at home?
It's very simple. Say at the restaurant, of course, we use dried beans. We basically soak them overnight. Then we...
that's these right here.
That's them right there.
All right.
And then we boil them next day. To simplify it, you could actually just buy the canned already garbanzo beans.
Okay, so let me break that back down, Jason. I'm gonna go into the store and I'm gonna buy the cans of garbanzo beans.
Exactly.
I'm straining the water out.
You're straining the water out.
Then I'm gonna soak them.
Actually, you're not going to need to soak them at that point.
If they're in the can.
If they're in the can, they're already cooked and processed for you.
So they're ready to go.
So they're ready to go, yeah.
So then all I have to do is puree them.
Puree them.
With
a little tahini, a little bit of olive oil, and a lot of lemon juice. I add a lot of lemon juice. Say to 1 cup, I add about half a cup of lemon juice.
Okay, now, if I'm ambitious and I want to buy them fresh, and I want to get these garbanzo beans dried, yes, give me the process for that.
What you're going to do is basically soak them overnight in warm water.
Anything special in the water?
Yes, you're going to add a little bit of baking soda. Okay. That will help break it down.
Just like a half a teaspoon, little tablespoon?
Half a teaspoon,
okay,
exactly.
All right.
Then the next day, you're going to basically strain them.
Okay.
Then boil them until they basically come to a soft consistency.
Okay, and they'll pop open a little bit, won't they?
Exactly.
Right, okay.
You'll basically be able to squeeze it right in your finger.
Right, okay, that's what we want.
And then you're going to add in your olive oil, a little garlic depending on if you like it.
A lot of garlic.
There we go.
Okay, good, all right. And that's what you have right here.
This is the final product right here.
Okay.
This is what we have. It comes out to almost a paste consistency.
It's beautiful. So what are we gonna do with this now?
We're going to do the plating.
Okay.
You're going to basically just take it out and spread it around the bowl. About half would be good.
All right, very easy. The recipe's on our website, so check it out. More or less, good?
That's perfect right there. Now we're going to garnish it. What I like to do is add a little different flavors to the hummus.
Right.
So we're going to add a basil pesto to it today. You could do different variations. You could do a sun-dried tomato.
More garlic.
More garlic.
Garlic and more garlic. I love it. Okay.
Just going to drizzle right around. The colors themselves are going to basically come out, so you get creative and do a little bit of artwork, become your own Picasso.
I love that. Is this making you crazy that I haven't seen how you do it at the restaurant, so I'm just like we would at home, this is how I would do it.
That's perfect right there. Now we have the pine nuts. You would want to actually sprinkle a little pine nuts in the middle there.
Now, would I toast these pine nuts before?
It's up to you. It's up to a preference.
How do we go? Is that good?
That's perfect amount right there.
All right. That was just a pinch. You know, my daughter once asked me, what's a pinch? That was a pinch.
That's a pinch
there
right
you go,
there.
Exactly. All right.
And then, Laura, we're going to add a little sumac. And what sumac is a Middle Eastern, almost tamarind spice.
Right.
Say if you don't have sumac at your local grocery store, paprika works the same.
Now, am I putting it all around the pesto?
Actually, pinch around the pesto.
There's the pinch again.
There you go.
All right. How's that?
Perfect.
Okay, now I want to taste this a little bit, just so I can tell everybody what it tastes like. It's a little spicy, not hot.
Not hot, no.
Not hot at all.
No.
And it has more of a distinct taste than paprika.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
It's more distinct. It has a little bit of tang. It adds to, brings out the lemon a little bit more.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, good combination.
And then we're going to add a little parsley.
Okay.
The parsley smooths it out.
Again, just pinch over the top?
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Oh, this is really nice.
Doesn't it come out beautiful?
Yes.
And then we're going to add a little bit of brined thyme to my hummus. It gives it a little bit more of an earthiness.
And I'm pinching this on top of it as well, right?
Exactly, yes.
All right. A little dash, a little pinch, there we go. And that's it.
And that's it. And add a couple of little lemons for a little color there.
Look at this. I mean, if you're doing a party or a shower or as an appetizer, I would do this. I might even put them in separate little dishes all around the appetizer table.
Oh,
so
that
people
works
can,
great.
Yeah, dip and go.
Going to use pita bread. You could bake your pita bread, you could fry your pita bread and make chips out of it as well.
Oh, very nice. All right, here we go, you guys. Here's the taste test. Oh my God, that's so delicious. That is really, really good.